Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time checking out my content, welcome. I'm Brett Ryan, a blonde and corrective color specialist. Today we are going to be doing Teasy Lights on very stubborn overlap black box dye hair of hers. A few months ago, my client Felicia came in and I did a full Teasy Light, but because her history of overlapping black box color for years, we couldn't get her past a very brassy red stage that had a little bit of copper. Today I'm going to brighten her up as much as I possibly can in the healthiest way. I'm praying her hair will work with us this time since it is our second session, and I'm upping the volume of developer we'll be using. And I want to get her beautiful and dimensional and loving her hair before she leaves to catch our flight to Amsterdam. Before I go any further, I just want to quickly say, since I get asked a lot from a lot of clients and people and other hairdressers, why I like using bowls so much that are not regular color bowls. And I love ceramic and glass and thick, heavy bowls because I notice that the lightener doesn't swell as much as it does if it was in a plastic bowl. And I also have a couple of plastic bowls for color because the ceramic stain. So I ended up having, you guys probably seen well over 80 bowls throughout my videos, I'm sure. But I actually did some cleaning out and allowed myself to only have 8 of my favorite. So you'll be seeing the same 8 bowls from here on out. And I cleaned it out and I can't believe all the bowls I had in my station. I always use 20 volume, but in this situation with the overlap black box dye for years, I'm going to bump it up to about 30 volume today with a 1/16 ounce of Olaplex. And I'll also be using my favorite lightener right now in the moment, Joico Blonde Life. I didn't record the root touch up or paint between I did in this session today. I wanted to focus more on the Teasy Light Technique, and I will have a video coming soon going over the basics, just like how to do a proper root retouch.
Just in time for summer, all our memories somehow still recover, even with each drink. I can't unremember all the notes I sent her. I wonder if she kept them. I wonder why you left, and what I done, and who we were, and where we run. When am I going to be okay? I wonder.
With Teasy Lights, I usually take a little bit of bigger sections, but we all know the smaller the sections, the better the lift, so I'm doing them extremely thin today for Teasy Lights. I also am leaving hair out in between still, like I always do with Teasy Lights, so there's still dimension left in the hair. I am not doing these tightly packed back to back like I usually would do about 90% of the time when I'm doing baby lights. I'm going to do a tutorial soon showing how I do baby light techniques not packed tightly back to back. I have never done a video on this, and a lot of clients get confused on what I mean. It is possible to leave bigger subsections of hair in between each foil while still doing baby lights very small. I hope this all makes sense. I know it doesn't. However, I will be working on shooting a video ASAP to get you guys to understand what I'm talking about.
Just in time, my lover, are you listening? Have you found another man of all your dreams? I cannot forget each time you said it was me. I wonder if you meant...
Alright, so I decided to do a paint between on all the hair left out in between the foils. This way we eliminate any light hair that was left out from the last session and darken it up to keep a good amount of dimension inside of her hair. For her paint between formula, I am using Joico Lumishine Demi-Permanent Liquids, 3N and 4NWB equal parts. You guys who have been following me for a while now know exactly how much I love the NWBs in Joico. They are such beautiful colors. I'm also mixing a fresh bowl of Blonde Life lightener, and I'm still using 30 volume. I'm not jumping up to 40 because I rarely ever will use 40 volume. Before I let my client process, I went back through all the foils on the left side and right side sections and reapplied with fresh lightener. I didn't record the footage, but I did this because the sides are our trouble area today. See, when I did her hair last session, I realized her back hair lifts 90 times better, and I quickly realized why, and Felicia quickly confirmed. All the years of using box dye on her hair, she only used it on the front and the sides, and the very top of her crown in the back. The spots that were easy for her to do, and the spots people always see. So all the back underneath, the very top foil or two, has not been overlapped like the front and side, so it lifts way, and I'm talking way, better. Once I finished reapplying the fresh batch of lightener on the left section and right section, I let Felicia process for a bit, and I even allowed her to process under the heat for a little bit as well. I have yet to do a true Teasy Light the way I usually do them 90% of the time yet on my channel, because of always when I do them, there's a situation the last 2 times where I have to do them in a way for the client's hair in particular. But I will be releasing a Teasy Light video the true way I do it 90% of the time coming in the next couple of weeks, so stay tuned, hit that bell so you're notified as soon as every Tuesday at 4 o'clock hits when a new video is uploaded.
Just in time for summer, all our memories somehow still recover, even with each drink. I can't unremember all the notes I sent her. I wonder if she kept them. I wonder why you left, and what I done, and who we were, and where we I wonder. Just in time, my lover, are you listening? Have you found another man of all your dreams? I cannot forget each time you said it was me. I wonder if you meant it. I wonder why you left, and what I done, and who we were, and where we run. When am I going to be okay? I wonder.
Alright, so today I'm doing a heavy root on Felicia, and the formula I'm using is Lumishine Demi Liquids 3N, 3NA equal parts with the dedicated 5 volume. I'm going to be bringing this root down, lower in the back and higher around the face and front like I always do. Once I've finished applying her root, I'm combing it through with my Sambia comb. I will let her process for about 40 minutes, and half of that time was under heat. Unfortunately, guys, I do not have the footage of me toning her at the bowl. I did record it, but I don't know what happened to the footage. I lost it somehow. But you guys know by now how I do the toning at the bowl anyway, from my 30-something videos that I already have posted. My toner formula was Redken Shade ZQ, of course, 6T, 6GN, 7VB, 7T, 7NB. Once again, my toning formula was Recon Shades EQ 6T, 6GN, 7BB, 7T, 7NB, and it came out way better than we expected.
Summer, all our memories somehow still recover, even with each drink. I can't unremember all the notes I sent her. I wonder if she kept them. I wonder why you left, and what I done, and who we were, and where we run. When am I going to be okay? I wonder. Just in time, my lover, are you listening? Have you found another man of all your dreams? I cannot forget each time you said it was me. I wonder if you meant it.
There you guys have it. Beautiful, dimensional, shiny, healthy hair. Remember to like, share, subscribe. I will see you in the next one. So long for now.
And where we run, when am I going to be okay? I wonder.